Yep.
Hi, I'm Rob Grover, and today we're going to be shooting things with reballs, which are soft, rubber, paintball replacements. What we're going to be shooting today is things commonly found within a college gym. The first item we are going to be demonstrating is a common household light bulb.
I'm Johnny Knoxville and this is Jackass.
You can cut stuff out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, are you still rolling?
Tell me when you're ready. Or are you ready right now?
I am ready right now.
This paintball marker is currently chronoed to 250 feet per second. After we shot a few, they flew just fine. Second. You can actually see it. You rolling?
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, there is no damage to this light bulb. No cracks, no indents, and not even a single mark left on it. Our second item is a relatively thin piece of glass. As you can see, it is much thinner than a pencil. This is the type of glass that would be used in a cabinet inside your house or something like that. This is not an outdoor type of glass. Once again, this paintball gun is chronoed to 250 feet per second.
Back out your drive phone. You get jammed.
It's not even that, it's just they're not gravity feeding past the feed neck. As you can see, this piece of glass has absolutely no cracks in it.
Back to droid.
Our last and final test is another piece of glass. This would be the type of glass that would be commonly used on an outdoor window. As you can see, it is relatively the same thickness as this pencil.
We're good.
As you can see from our demonstrations, reballs impact is not great enough to damage anything that could be commonly found inside a college gym.
I'd like to thank our sponsors.
As you can see, the thick piece of glass obviously didn't get any cracks if the thinner piece of glass didn't.